Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and I would like to show you the way how to take multiple photos easily on your iPhone camera. So now, if you're taking a multiple picture by just like tap multiple times on this, just leave this way. We need to find another way that more quick and efficient. Just go back into your home screen. Okay, my bad. Just go back into your home screen. And right after that, you just need to open the settings. And now we just need to open the settings. And right after that, you just need to like scrolling down until you found the camera sections. And whenever you open it, now you just need to take a look on these sections. There will be like use volume up for burst. Go activate these features. And now we just need to go back home and open your camera again. And let's just try to use the volume up button. And you'll see you already got a multiple picture easily without tapping this button. So that is the way how to take multiple picture easily on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.